Swatch Group Ltd designs, manufactures, distributes and sells finished watches, watch movements, prestige watch components, electronic systems and luxury jewelry. Based in Biel, Switzerland, the Swatch Group was formed in 1983 through merger of two Swiss watch manufacturers, ASUAG and SSIH. Formerly SMH Swiss Corporation for Microelectronics and Watchmaking Industries Limited, the company took its present name in 1998. The Swatch Group is led by G. Nicolas Hayek, Jr., son of the late co-founder and chairman Nicolas Hayek. In 2014, gross sales were 9.219 billion Swiss francs, up 4.6% on 2013 results. Worldwide, the Swatch Group employs over 35,600 people in 50 countries. History: the Swatch Group formed from two financially troubled predecessor companies, SSIH and ASUAG. SSIH originated in 1930 with the merger of the Omega and Tissot companies. Swiss watch quality was high, but new technology such as the Hamilton electric watch introduced in 1957 and the Belova cut-on tuning fork watch in 1961 presaged increasing high-technology competition. In the late 1970s SSIH became insolvent due in part to a recession and in part to heavy competition from inexpensive Asian-made quartz crystal watches. These difficulties occurred even though it had become Switzerland a Euro unregistered trademark's largest and the world a Euro unregistered trademark's third largest producer of watches. Its creditor banks assumed control in 1981. ASUAG, formed in 1931, was the world a Euro unregistered trademark's largest producer of watch movements and the parts thereof, assortments, watch stones. ASUAG had also integrated an array of watch brands in 1972 into a sub-holding company, General Watch Company. ASUAG failed similarly in 1982. Reorganization Both groups were reorganized and merged into SSIH ASUAG Holding Company in 1983. Taken private, in 1985, by then CEO Nicolas Hayek, with the understanding of the Swiss banks and the financial assistance of a group of Swiss private investors, it was renamed SMH in 1986, and ultimately Swatch Group Ltd in 1998. The launch of the new Swatch brand watch in 1983, by the then ETA Czar CEO Ernst Thomke and his young team of engineers, was marked by bold new styling and design. The quartz watch was redesigned for manufacturing efficiency and fewer parts. This combination of marketing and manufacturing expertise restored Switzerland as a major player in the world wristwatch market. Important acquisitions Over the years, the Swatch Group has acquired several watchmaker companies such as Blancpain SA, Breguet SA and Glacier 1/4 TTERU and Betre GmbH. All three brands are prominent members of its range of products today. The most recent acquisition was HW Holding Incorporated, owner of Harry Winston, Incorporated in New York, USA, a well-known jewelry and luxury watch company. The transaction closed on March 26, 2013 for 711 million Swiss francs. Nicolas Hayek became CEO. The company bought the world a Euro unregistered trademark's biggest flawless blue diamond, the Winston Blue, on May 15, 2014. Brands Watches and jewelry Prestige and luxury range, Breguet, Harry Winston, Blancpain, Glacier 1/4 TTE Original, Jaquet Droz, La Copyright on Hatot, Omega, High Range, Longines, Rado, Union Glacier 1/4 TTE, Middle Range, Hamilton, Cortina, Mido, Tissot, Entry Range Balmain Creek Watch and Jewelry Co. Basic Range, Swatch, Flieg Flak, Private Label, Endura. Sports Timing Swiss Timing. Movement and component sales, Swatch subsidiary ETA manufacturer Hologa, which is based in Grinken, Switzerland, furnishes many OEM brands, such as LVMH, which markets TAG, Hublot and Zenith watch lines, and Richemont, which markets amongst others, Baume and Mercier, IWC, Jaeger LeCoultre, Officine Panerai, Piaget S.A. and Varon Konstantin. Electronic systems. The Swatch Group electronic system provides solutions by integrating the individual expertise of the following companies not only for quartz wristwatches, but also sports and events timing as well as high-tech ventures such as Biel Clean Power AG, Microelectronics Baron, designs and produces ultra-low power, low-voltage mixed-signal integrated circuits, LCD and modules. IC product lines include RFID, microcontroller, smart card, ASIC, RTC, reset circuit, watchdog, LCD driver, opto-ICs. Microcrystal, produces miniature low-power quartz crystals and small low-power oscillators. Focuses 32.768 kHz SMD and through-hole crystals in miniature metal and ceramic package. Renata, develops and produces micro batteries. Product lines include button cells and rechargeable batteries. Primary batteries include silver oxide lithium and zinc air technologies. Sports and events timing. Swiss timing under brands such as Omega and Longines provide timing services for sporting events such as Formula One, Olympic Games and equestrian events. The Nicolas Hayek Watchmaking School. The Swatch Group started offering their first class for aspiring watchmakers in September 2005. This school is based out of Miami, Florida. Another school is located in Waukesha, Oklahoma. Other watchmaker schools outside the U.S. are situated in Glacier 1/4 TTE, Pforzheim, Kuala Lumpur and Shanghai. Internet Time and New Technologies. In 1998, Swatch invented Swatch Internet Time, intended as a global time system, which divides the day into 1000 beats in a single worldwide time zone. In October 2004, Swatch introduced its first smartwatch, the Paparazzi, based on Microsoft Corporation's Spot. Ventures. In 1994, Swatch entered into a joint venture with Germany's Daimler AG to produce the Smart, but they later withdrew from this project. Swatch subsidiary Biel Clean Power AG entered into a joint venture with the Paul Scherrer Institute in May 2008 to develop a hydrogen fuel cell for a fuel cell-powered car. Swatch began test drives of the car in Switzerland in 2012. However, the Swatch Group decided to abandon the project for a fuel cell-powered car in June 2015 and concentrate instead on a new type of battery with high storage capacity. See also, Pierre-Jacques Droz. Further reading, MB, RAM, Branding Time, Swatch and Global Brand Management Temple University, Fox School of Business, Temple University IGMSK Series No. 5-1, January 2005, The Swatch Group Ltd, History of the Swatch Group. Notes and references. Citations, Lewin, Tony. Smart Thinking, The Little Car That Made It Big. St. Paul, Minnesota, MBI Publishing. ISBN 0-7603-1943-X. External links, official website, the Nicolas Hayek Watchmaking School's official website, Yahoo! The Swatch Group Ltd. Company profile, the Swatch Group history.